Hi, I'm Mr. Plant Geek. I'm going to run you some of my Christmas gift ideas for 2020. Let's kick off with these mini plant pot hunks. These are from Firebox. These were about £12. You get 4 hunks which have got wires so that you can place them into your favorite plants and create a bit of a wilderness scene. Next up, you got the Llama Plants. Now this is a really cool, very different style of houseplant container. What you do is sow these chia seeds inside the llama planter, and then the seedlings basically cover this over with a lovely green coat. You could also use mind your own business plant too. Next, we got the Boozy Gardener's Kit, which includes burnet, which is cucumber flavored, orange scented thyme, strawberries for garnishes, also agastache, lemon bergamot, and basil, which are all great additions to your cocktails or gin and tonic. You've also got the peat pots and the peat discs, which help you to grow those at home. So really, really fun for the windowsill and great for somebody who's perhaps doing dry January. Next up, we got the Insect Hotel, which has got a range of different homes for insects, from ladybirds to bees and butterflies. Really easy to hang. You can make your own or you can buy them ready-made. This one was from Amazon. Next, we got the Groot planter. This is a little bit of fun. I wish he looked a little bit happier though. You can dress him up with all sorts of different plants, give him a different hairdo every now and then. Really, really easy, but remember to add a little bit of gravel in the bottom here for drainage. Next, we've got amaryllis. You can choose from the wax-covered amaryllis or the jacket-covered amaryllis. Really, really fun. They've got stands at the bottom so they'll stay neat and upright, and they will support themselves when they get these big voluptuous blooms on the top though. Remember, all the goodness is in the bulb, so you won't need to water it or anything. Next, avocado seed planters. This is called the avocado. You basically float the seed in the center and then put it on top of a glass of water, and then you can watch your avocado grow. It's much easier than what I was doing when I was a kid, which was kind of poking cocktail sticks into the side of avocado seeds and hoping that they would float. And then finally, we've got a miniature Christmas tree, which is great for a home office. Perhaps you're not having a big tree this year and you want something a little bit smaller, bit compact. It actually comes flat packed and goes through most letterboxes, and you just need to bounce it back into shape. But it's really, really fun, and it also comes with the decorations too. Then we've also got this from the Mr. Plant Geek store, which is the mistletoe sweater. But check that out, but also have a look at my other video where I show you this range of Christmas gifts as well. So these are great for plant lovers or anybody that you want to inspire to be a plant lover.